each one in the perfect spot. It's like a team, yeah! Every organ is a superhero on that team. Live! From your head to your toes, there's so much that goes. Organs are inside, working all the time, helping you jump, think, wiggle, and rhyme. Let's learn what each one does and where it lives, just because. So now you know what's inside of you and what your body parts all do. Give your tummy a happy hug and your heart a loving thump, thump snug. Inside of me, so many parts work in harmony. Inside of me, so many parts working in harmony. Inside of me, so many parts work in harmony. Inside of me, so many parts working in harmony. Thank you, buddy. Much.